Hello children, and welcome to a mental maths session. Today the focus is on number bonds. We're going to explore number bonds to 100. So we're going to find two numbers when added together total 100. We're going to start off using concrete apparatus. We're going to use the abacus, and we're going to start off by looking at the number 65 and working out what goes with 65 to total 100. Using the abacus, I'm going to make 65. I know that half of the abacus is 50. I've got my 5 tens, and to make 65 I need another 10, and then I need a 5. What we've got left is how many we would need to add to 65 to make 100. I can see I've got 5, that would make 70, and then I've got 3 tens, that would complete the 100. So I had the 5 and the 3 tens 30, so I know that I needed 35 more to total 100. So 65 and 35 gives me a total of 100. Let's move on to another one. This time we're going to find what we need to add to 29 to make 100. So I'm going to find 29 on my abacus, so I know it's 2 tens, and I know 9 is 1 less than a 10, so I've now got 29. What have we got left to total 100? Well, I can see I've got a 1 here to take 29 to 30, so I've added 1, and I can then see I've got 20, 2 tens to take me to 50, so I've got the 1, 2 more tens, and then I've got 5 more tens to total 100. So that gave me 1, 2 tens, 5 more tens, which is a total of 71. Let's do one more for good luck. So this time we're going to find out what we need to add to 84 to total 100. So to make 84, I'm going to first of all move my 50 across 5 tens. To make 80, I need 3 more tens, and then I need 4 ones to total 84. What's left is what I need to add to 84 to total 100, and I can see I've got the 6 to make it to 90, 1 10 to total 100, so I had 6 and 10, which makes 16. So I know 84 and 16 is a number bond to 100. In your learning pack at home, you will have one of these, a Slavonic abacus. I'm going to show you how you can calculate number bonds using one of these. So we're going to start off by finding out what we need to add to 75 to total 100. So I'm going to find where 75 is, and then I know, just like when we used the abacus before, I need to work out what I've got left to total 100. So I can see I've got 5 here using my number bond to 10 knowledge to take me to 80, and then I can see I've got 2 more tens, 20, that will take me to 100. So in total I've got 5 and 20, that gives me a total of 25. We're now going to move on to 36. What do we need to add to 36 to total 100? So I'll find 36 on the abacus, and then I'm going to work out how many more I need to add to get me to the next multiple of 10, which is 40. Using my number bonds to 10 knowledge, I know 6 and 4 make 10. So 36 and 4 make 40. I now need to see how many tens I've got left that will help me total 100. I can see 1 10 here, and then I can see another 5 here. So 1 10 and 5 more tens make 60. So now you can see we had 4 ones, 6 tens, so in total that is 64. So 36 and 64 gives us a total of 100. And the final one that we'll do together is 81 and what? So like before, we find where 81 is. I'll then work out how many ones will take me to 90. I know 1 and 9 make a 10. And then I can see that I've just got 1 10 left to total 100. So 9 ones and the 10 gives me a total of 19. So I know my final number bond is 81 and 19 totals 100. We're now going to see how we could use a number line instead to help us to calculate number bonds to 100. So I'm going to start off by drawing my number line, and I'm going to put the 48 on the left hand side at the start of my number line. Like we did with the abacus and the Slavonic abacus, we're first of all going to get to the next multiple of 10, which is 50. So I know to get to 50, the difference is 2. So I've added 2 to 48 to get to 50. I need to get to 100 in the end. So I know now I need to jump, I need to add something to 50 to get to 100. I know 5 tens and 5 tens make 10 tens. So I've added 50 altogether. Look carefully at the number line to see what we added in total. So I can see we added 50 and 2, so the total is 52. 48 and 52 is a number bond to 100. Let's try another one. 77 and what total 100? So we'll start off by drawing our number line. I pop 77 at the start, and the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to jump to the next multiple of 10, which is 80. I know 7 and 3 make 10, so 77 plus 3 will take me to 80. I know I'm trying to reach 100, so I've then got to calculate how more tens do I need to add. I know 8 tens and 2 tens will total 100. 2 tens is 20. So in total I've added 23. So 77 and 23 is our next number bond to 100. I'm now going to show you a way of checking whether your number bonds are correct or incorrect. Here we've got the pairs that we worked out earlier. We had 65 plus 35. If I wanted to check, I'm going to first of all find the total of my tens. 6 tens and 3 tens is a total of 9 tens, 90. Now going to find the total of my ones. I had 5 and 5. 5 plus 5 is a total of 10. And then I can see 90 plus 10 gives me a total of 100. Let's check 29 plus 71. I will find the total of my tens. So 2 tens plus 7 tens is 9 tens. And the total of my ones, 9 and 1, again makes 10. 90 plus 10 will total 100. And finally, 84 plus 16. The total of my tens is 8 tens plus 1 10, which again makes 90. And the total of my ones, 4 and 6, is 10. 90 and 10 total 100. So each time the total of your tens should be 90 and the total of your ones should be 10, because 90 and 10 will always make 100. I hope you found that helpful, everybody, and I look forward to doing another mental math session with you again soon. Bye bye.